Let's take a look at the Big U's Q2 performance and what could be in store for it in the near future. Unity's second quarter results show a revenue of $440.9 million, a 1.9% decrease from the same period in 2024. Despite this, the company's net loss narrowed by 13% to $108.8 million, and the loss per share improved to 26 cents from 32 cents in Q2 2024. Unity's revenue and earnings beat analyst expectations, with revenue exceeding estimates by 3.3%, and earnings per share surpassing expectations by 7.8%. CEO Matt Bromberg believes the second quarter of 2025 marks an inflection point for Unity's turnaround, driven by investments in product development, velocity, and customer relationships. The company's new AI-powered ad platform, Vector, has shown promising results, with the Unity ad network growing 15% sequentially in Q2 and expected to grow mid-single digits in the next quarter. Vector has delivered significantly more value and return to customers, positioning Unity for long-term growth in the advertising space. Unity's Create Solutions segment generated $154 million in revenue, a 2% increase year over year, primarily driven by a one-time license sale and subscription revenue growth. The Grow Solutions segment reported $287 million in revenue, a 4% decrease year over year, although the Unity ad network's growth partially offset declines in other ad products. Looking ahead, Unity forecasts revenue between $440 million and $450 million for Q3 2025, indicating stability or a minor increase from the most recent period. In terms of industry outlook, Bromberg is optimistic about the video game industry's future, citing the release of new consoles like the Switch 2 and upcoming games like Grand Theft Auto. He believes the industry will continue to grow durably for many years, driven by innovation and dynamism. Despite potential economic uncertainty, Unity's business has proven to be recession-resistant, particularly in the free-to-play mobile game segment, where 70% of top mobile games are built on Unity's platform.